is equal to 26 kilowatts. QL is 17.9 kilowatts. So for SF, we have a formula QS over QS plus QL. So we're going to plug in value in the values. We have 26 over 26 plus 17.99 is equals to 0.9. And for the last number, we have a given of dry bulb temperature, which is 30 degrees Celsius, and WBT is 25 degrees Celsius, and our TW is 10 degrees Celsius, and our efficiency is 85%. So to solve for the T2, we have to manipulate the formula. So efficiency is equals to T1 minus T2 over T1 minus TW. So plug in the given values, we have a 0.85 is equals to 30 minus T2 over 30 minus 10, which is equals to 13 Celsius, 13 degrees Celsius. Number 5, we have a given of SCFM is equals to 5,000, and pressure 1 is 14.9 PSI, and pressure 2 is 12.2. So we have a formula of ACFM is equals to SCFM times P1 over P2. So plug in the given, we have 5,000 times 14.9 over 12.2, which is equal to 6,023 ACFM. So for number 6, we have a dry bulb temperature of 80 Fahrenheit and relative humidity of 47%. So using psychrometric chart, we're going to have a result of 5.2 grams per feet cube, and dry bulb temperature of 55 Fahrenheit